Morning, guys. Well, the weather's sure changed. Truck's a little bit cold today. Today I got two work orders to do, both for rentals that I manage. The first one's cartridge change for a shower, and the second one is their kitchen sink is leaking from somewhere underneath, so I'll have to check that out. Something else just came in. Oh, that the kitchen sink that was clogged. They called me back. They wanted they don't have like a clean out under there. I recommended it to them, so I think they're gonna go ahead with that too. I may have to do that. It doesn't take long at all, so probably pop in there and do that if they want me to do that. Also gonna try to clean up. I got a bunch of garbage at my house and in the trailer. I gotta clean up just from time going on and making mess, getting jobs, making mess. That's what it is. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Peace. I had a few minutes before I can go to that other job, so I'm just gonna make sure I have what I need for the rest of my day. Need a basket strainer. That's where I keep some of the overflow stuff that I don't want to keep, don't want to break or anything, or keep some of it organized. I know I have some here now. That's not the one I want. I've had these in here for a while, I guess, because I like the double bowl basket strainers. Might use that one. It's the same. Okay. All right. Well, should work anyway. I know I don't have the cartridges. I'm gonna have to go get them. I stock the Moen Posi temps. That's what's usually in the houses. But there are a couple single valves that I have to deal with. There's a few different kinds of them, so I don't keep them because they're few and far between. I do have the sink basket strainer, which is good. It's a little glimpse of my trailer anyway. I'm definitely a DeWalt guy, as you can see. I have have some Milwaukee, but the majority of the stuff is DeWalt. It's my water heater pump. It's a Milwaukee, battery powered, pretty good. Ladder, there's a table. I got most of my hand tools up here. A battery area. I have my toolbox here. These 3 crates here that I have my electrical, plumbing, and my doors / miscellaneous stuff. Another toolbox up there, and then over here, just things I generally use. This is miscellaneous, like that. There's that hinge for that door. I got railing hardware, door hardware, bifolds, things like that, extra light bulbs. Up here there's drill bits and all the other things that I would need. Tapcons, concrete screws, anything like that. Probably make a more in-depth video about that later, but down here, that's where I keep the snakes. That's my camera. I have a camera there. Then my flex shaft, and then the KX400. Table saw. But yeah, just kind of try to keep everything in one spot, and everything works out. So, first one's a cartridge repair. I have to bring my bag. I like to have everything organized before I get there, so I'm not fiddling around with stuff. Saves time. I don't think there's anything else I'll need. At that cartridge job, I'm going to have to take out the cartridge, and I'm going to just run over to Depot and then get the right one and then come back and install them. But it's a little time consuming, but it's better than stocking something that you never use and spending money on it and going to waste, right? So that's kind of what I do. I'll see you at the cartridge repair. Okay, we're at the cartridge job here. These are the ones. Waltech. Okay, I just gotta go shut the water off and then get to it. You can see how it's leaking. Probably the hot side. I'm going to do both regardless. Just being a rental, it's I'll just know that it's done. I can document that. Let's see how this drains. Draining well. I might put a pop-up in there as well. She's using this thing right now, but she might like a pop-up, so yeah, let me get the water shut off and then I'll be back. Okay, here's the water. It's the upper tank, lower tank.
Come on. Let's go. Take her. Go.
I'm also going to turn off her hose bib. It's getting chilly out, so I shut those off. I'll see you upstairs. Okay, so the water's off. Drain it. Usually take pictures too of what I'm doing and where I am, because you never know. Need proof for somebody or the hot side usually is the one that goes, because all the shit in the water. So just gonna change out both, make sure they're good. I did check the diverter as well and it's working fine, so I'm not gonna change that unless I have to. The cartridge there, so all I'm gonna do, untwist it, see what we got. It's that back seal that usually starts. I say usually a lot, don't I? Yeah, so you can see that back washer. I can change it out and they'd probably be fine, but the units that I manage, I just typically put new ones in because it's a longevity thing to make sure that they don't have issues in the future and everything else. If it was a homeowner, it was a budget kind of job, then I'd be able to, yeah, this one doesn't look bad, but I'm going to change it out anyway. So that's it for now. I'm going to go and grab a couple new ones. Might grab a couple for the truck, I don't know. Didn't bring my flashlight, so I'll bring that in, and then I'll get back to you when I get the new ones. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, I'm at the Home Depot here. I got the cartridges here, Weltec hot and cold. Let's go put them in. All right, guys, we're back. I'm just gonna grab some plumber's grease. Let's put a little dab on there. There we go. I wonder if she'd mind if took some leftover candy. Probably not. Had enough yesterday. Kept me up till like 2 a.m. Super easy to do. You can see this one is the hot side. About a couple other things there too. I'll show you later on, I guess. So that washer goes there. What I like to do, I just like to open these up. Let's put a little bit of lube. There's a little washer in there. Just keeps it. Keeps it lubed up. That's the washer there, see? Brand new. So this was the hot side, correct? Hot, yes. tighten. Whoa, that was close. Don't lose the screw. Another reason they should have. I like to give it a nice snug turn, kind of get it seated on there. And that should be it. Just leave that tight like that. Put the new one on the other side. This one's a little tough. I'll get it though. I'll get it. There you go. Like I said, I just do that. I don't know if everybody else does. I find it works well. I just kind of expose that washer in there. Throw some lube. Make sure the washer's good. It's on there. Final snug. There you go. These are replacement handles, I know that. There you go. So they should be off now. Hot and cold. Okay, I'm just going to go turn the water back on and Check for leaks. I also turned off the outside hose bibs here, so it's getting colder, so I'm gonna just always turn the water off in the house and take the hose off. If you don't take the hose off, you'll still freeze up, so it doesn't matter if it's frost free or not. Then just leave it open. You're good to go. Gotta do the other one, then go check inside. I'll probably check inside first, just in case, you know, water's shooting everywhere. I do hear something. Oh, it's that. Okay. Well, so far there's no leaks. Let's give her a test and see. That could be residual water too. To wait and watch this, make sure that does stop leaking, but that should have fixed the problem. Yeah, I'm all packed up from that job. Yeah, see what happens, and then now I'm just going to that sink job. It's for the same investor. Not sure if they're home or not. I don't know. I'll have to text and see. So yeah, I'll see you at that job. This job that I'm going to for the sink, the tenant's home, so I don't know if I'm gonna be talking or anything, but I'm gonna record it, but just won't be talking. So yeah, just changing out the basket strainer and making sure everything else is good. All right, I just went in to look at what his complaint was, and looks like the strainer's just loose. So I'm gonna just take it off, redo the putty, and tighten it back up, and that should solve his issue. So I'll be right back. never tightened. That's what it is.
Oh, okay.
It jumped the thread, and now this will never get tightened. I got a new one, I'll just put that. Just getting back to the yard. I'm gonna park the trailer. Then go home and edit. Okay, so here are the two cartridges that I changed out today. If I was to rebuild these, I'm just going to show you quick on how I would do that. So, very easy. This was the hot side, you can see. It's very degraded. So what you do is take this screw out. Pop that washer out. I have this kit here. It should be this guy. 1/4-inch washer. Just put that back in. You put the screw back in. Just like that. And there is another washer in here. I need something. One sec. So there's a little black washer. You pop that out. You get a new one. It looks a little small. There it is. You just slide it over, put it back in. I'm using a fork. It's the only thing I have with me here. Just put it back in. There you go. I just take some of my plumber's grease. I'll lube this up. Put it back in. That's the rebuilt one. I'll clean up the threads and everything, obviously, but so I'll just do that to both of them. I'll put them in a little sandwich bag. It's ready for the next time. And that's how you build it. Super easy. Sometimes you can actually flip these over because you can see the bottom of it's not bad, but that's only in a pinch kind of thing. But you get the set. Everything's good to go. Just thought I'd show you that. I'm going to rebuild this other one. And tomorrow I got a call, so I'm going to have to go to that bottom unit probably. They're having a problem with their toilet. They told me about it when I was there. But I may go back there. They have like a lazy flush going on, or it's not flushing properly, something like that. I'll have to check that out. And then also I'm going to go look at an ease trough job for a regular customer who's one of her downspouts aren't draining properly. She just wants to make sure everything's good before the winter comes. And yeah, so that's what's going on tomorrow. I'm gonna head out and start editing the video. So we'll see you in a bit.